Hello developers, welcome back to .NET Terminal. Okay, your project is approved, budget is sanctioned, team is ready. 6 months later, application is slow, cannot scale, cannot move to cloud. Management ask one question: why did you guys choose this technology? Most beginners think .NET is the .NET, but in real companies there are two very different worlds. Okay. So today you will clearly understand what is a .NET, what is the .NET framework, what is the .NET Core, why companies moved, how you should do this. Okay. Now first we will start with very basics. What is a .NET? Okay. Let's go step by step. So simple definition: .NET is a development platform by Microsoft to build applications using C#. .NET is a development platform by Microsoft to build applications using C#. Okay, using .NET you can build websites, APIs, desktop software, background services. So if you see real life analogy, okay, .NET is like electricity, C# is like a fan, light, AC. Without electricity, devices don't work. Okay. Now, old world, if you go back 2005 time, okay, what is the .NET framework? Now the dangerous spot it is. Meaning .NET framework is the original old implementation of .NET. .NET framework is original old implementation of .NET. So if you see the key behaviors, this .NET frameworks runs only on Windows. Okay, installed inside Windows OS, heavy and tightly coupled. So real-time examples if you see bank desktop applications, government portals, old ERP softwares. Okay, why it was okay earlier? Companies used only Windows servers earlier. That's why they choose .NET framework. No cloud, no Docker, limited users. At that time, this was enough. Okay, but the problem with this .NET framework is we want to move to cloud. Okay, but Linux servers cheaper, Docker is required, auto scaling is needed. So technical problems with this is a slow startup, high memory usage, hard to deploy. This is where the project start dying. Okay, so the actual picture came here. That is the new world. What is the .NET Core? Microsoft realized that the threat. So what is the .NET Core? Is a completely rewritten modern version of .NET. Remember that it is written from the scratch. Written from the scratch. Okay. So modern version of .NET. What changed? So it is a cross platform. మనకి .NET framework is only Windows, right? But it is a cross platform. Lightweight, high performance, real time examples. You can see e-commerce backends, mobile app APIs, SaaS products. Okay, why companies love it? Runs on Linux, supports Docker, easy cloud deployment. Okay, so when the traffic increases, .NET Core scales it. Okay, now you can see the difference on the screen also. So what are the features? .NET frameworks, what is do .NET Core. Okay, first feature OS support. So .NET framework is only Windows support, but .NET Core is Windows, Linux, Mac OS, all supports. So cloud, so it is very poor .NET framework. .NET Core is excellent. Performance wise, it is medium performance, very fast performing. So Docker, so it won't support for the Docker. Yes, it will support for that. So microservices, .NET Framework won't support, .NET Core will support that. Future, so it is dead. It is not at all using. So now it is active. Okay. So if you see real e-commerce example, anything scenario, you imagine that 10,000 users using during the sale using .NET Framework server overloads, app crashes, manual restart. But using .NET Core, auto scale, no downtime, smooth checkout. Okay. So the big confusion cleared right now. If .NET Core is still used, root is the .NET Core renamed to .NET. So versions like .NET 6, 7, 8, 10, 9, 10. Okay. Today there is only modern .NET. Today only modern .NET. Okay. So I always career advise right in our videos. If you are starting now, don't learn .NET framework. Learn modern .NET from .NET 6 to 10. So learning APIs, clouds, microservices. Okay, we need to learn these things. So technology choice decide our futures. Okay, beginners always memory rule is framework equal to .NET framework equal to Windows plus old. .NET core equal to cloud plus future. But all .NET framework core they completely remove .NET. Okay. So friends, if you want to videos like this, definitely you can subscribe our channel. Thank you friends. Thank you all.